Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Sir, natural calamities seemed to be now a very regular feature. This year, there are several states which are seriously affected by drought. In some states, it is the second successive year of drought, and in some other states, it is almost the third successive year. It means that large sums of money will have to be provided, and I trust the priorities will be respected. We cannot go on putting up with a situation in which hundreds of thousands of villages today are without drinking water, where from any drinking water is to be provided is not even known. The state governments do not know what to do with it. It is not money alone that matters, though large sums of money will have to be provided to ensure that drinking water is made available to villages. Para, the finance minister knows that farmers must be given remunerative price. Mr. Finance Minister, I would request your attention to this particular point. You have said that by giving remunerative prices to farmers in respect of sugar, you have seen the result immediately, and the manner in which the sugar cultivation improved has increased, and you have larger sugar production. That is exactly what we say. If you give remunerative price to farmers for what they produce, not only will you be doing justice to them, but you also will ensure increased production. Productivity is one of your major ought to be one of your major thrust bears. It is the one thing in which you are not being successful, whether it is on the agricultural front or on the industrial front. I hope that this is something to which you will pay greater attention. When the finance minister started his budgetary exercise in 2008, he endeavored to do two things. One was to loosen the tight regulatory grip that he had on industry. Government decided to loosen a little bit. The second thing that they had decided to do was to streamline the fiscal and budgetary process so as to enhance revenue collection and stabilize the business and trade. On both these fronts, subsequent developments have been somewhat hesitant, but in some cases very contradictory also. So far as loosening the tight grip that government has on the industry, I think government has realized that by really loosening it in a judicious way, there has been tremendous improvement in this situation.